sea monster bars encountered.
Port side, fire everything! That's Nivena? That idiot! He's actually picking that wreck!
This time you're mine.
Wait, is that?
Nirvana! Devour! What the hell is that?
Nirvana has devoured a titan tailfish.
What its power's been flowing into me.
The original feels it right away.
Sea monster boss encountered. Threat level. Certain death. Evacuate immediately.
Evacuate? And leave Mayev behind? Screw that! I'm going all in! Damn it! Portside, fire everything! Open fire!
What the hell? Didn't I die?
Welcome to the age of cursed voyages. In 1 hour, the sea will swallow this village whole. From this moment on, the ocean is your home for the rest of your lives.
Who the hell are you? Why did you kidnap us?
I've come back to life. Thank God for giving me a second chance. This time, I'm going to get an arcane ship, take down those sea monsters, and put an end to this damn cursed voyage once and for all.
A few ships have been prepared for you rookies. Sort yourselves out. Try not to die too fast.
This steel fragon's mine! Then I'm taking the pirate ship!
Damn it, I'm too late. All the best ships are already gone. Don't tell me I'm going to end up just like in my past life, stuck with garbage, and ripped apart by sea monsters.
That's Nirvana? The legendary arcane warship from my past life?
What the hell is it doing here? That ship slaughtered that sea monster like it was nothing.
Ah! Look at that idiot! He's actually picking that wreck! Forget him. Guy's a dead nobody anyway.
This time you're mine.
Though right now, Nirvana looks like a total wreck. Whatever. An arcane warship has to be special somehow. Let's bind it first.
Bind.
Congratulations, rookie. The ship is now yours. Upgrade it. Reinforce it. Make it look survivable.
Open player panel. My starting strength was only 6 in my previous life, but now it's 8? My other stats have improved too. Is this what happens when you bind an arcanic warship? The living quarters on a low-level arcane warship are seriously rough. Once I set sail, food and fresh water are going to be a real problem.
Hey, you in there! Get your ass out here!
Huh? What now? Someone boarded my ship?
Hand over all your food and water, then you're coming with us.
These idiots are trying to rob the one broke guy on the sea.
What's with that look, brat? You asking for a booting? Why waste time talking? Trash like him only learns the hard way.
Perfect chance to see what 8 strength can really do. Damn. Now that's 8 strength.
Who the hell's causing trouble on my turf? Boss! This punk refused to cooperate, and he attacked us!
It's him, Bob, the future leader of the Ironheart Guild. Never thought he started out as a damn pirate thug.
Kid, I'm offering you a chance here. Boats like yours won't survive long out there. My ship can hold 50 crew members.
Hand over your supplies, let me manage distribution, and maybe I'll let you aboard.
Dream on. If you want to fight, then all of you come at once. Stop wasting my time.
You've got guts, kid. I won't forget this. Move out!
Boss, we're really just letting him go? Idiot. Did you see how strong he is? You think you can beat him head on? We've got a cannon, don't we? Drag it out and blow that brat to pieces.
Move it! That brat thinks a few punches make him untouchable? Out at sea, cannons do the talk.
Boss, you serious? That wreck looks like it's sink from one shot. We won't get much loot out of it.
Loot? You think my reputation's worth less than loot? Move! You had your chance. Now die.
I'm already low on food and fresh water. Once I'm out there, I'll have to scavenge for more. What the hell? Bob! Damn it, Naverna doesn't have any weapons yet. Speed and maneuverability are my only advantages right now. Gotta move!
Die already, you little shit!
Damn, that was close. Nirvana may look wrecked, but it handles like a dream. Is this what an arcane warship can do? Wait, is that?
No way! A Titan tailfish? Those things are famous for their speed. That idiot actually blasted up a jackpot. Nirvana, devour!
Holy shit! What the hell is that?
Nirvana has devoured a Titan tailfish. Level increased to LV2. Arcane trait acquired, Titan tail.
Bob, you were having fun shooting at me earlier, huh? Come on then, try it again!
That's no ordinary sailboat. It's an evolving arcane warship. Keep firing! Take that ship! And this whole sea is ours! How the hell is it that fast? Keep shooting! Lead the target!
Bob, you got unlimited ammo or something?
Useless idiots! Move! Reload the damn cannon!
Boss, we're out of cannonballs. What's wrong? Out of ammo already? You got two choices. One, surrender. I take fishing gear and fresh water and you get to live. Two, you refuse, I board your ship myself, take whatever I want anyway. And every last one of you dies, your call.
Bullshit! There's dozens of us and only one of you! So what if we're out of shells? We've still got blades!
Ever since Nirvana devoured that fish, part of its power's been flowing into me too. It feels like my body's about to explode with strength.
I surrender! The fresh water's in the rear hold and the rods are by the rail! Take it all!
Good choice.
Hand over the gold watch too. Call it compensation for wasting my time.
Pleasure doing business with you.
You little bastard! This isn't over!
All right, survival's handled for now. Nirvana, show current status.
That tail's not just for speed. It hits like a truck too. One full force slam can smash a small boat to pieces.
Regional announcement. Bonus event active. 10,000 treasure chests have spawned across the sea. Salvage them aboard to obtain valuable resources. Chest tiers: white, blue, purple, and gold. Good luck.
A treasure chest event? I didn't hit this in my past life until the 3rd region. Way earlier this time. Perfect. With Titan Tail, I can snatch up all the good loot. A white chest. Lowest tier junk. Doesn't even have a guardian. Easy pickup.
Nice start!
Holy shit!
What the heck? Since when did chests get this twisted? Back in my past life, white chests only dropped garbage wood. Now they're spitting out man-eating sandwiches? Good thing my reflexes are faster this time. If even white chests drain sanity, then low-tier loot's basically a trap now. No point clearing the map anymore. Better to hunt high-tier chests. Even with guardians, blue chests are worth it. You're the one.
Fuck! Not this shit again! Boss, that's the 8th one already! That bastard's already going after blue chests!
When we tested the radio yesterday, didn't somebody mention there's a witch out in these waters?
Huh? You mean...
I want that ship. If we can't beat him ourselves, we'll let the witch do it for us.
What the hell was that?
Perfect time. Let's see what Titan Tail can really do.
Devour!
Looks like I've got to stay here for 30 minutes to unlock it. Blue tier's not that high, so main maker sharks are probably the guardians. Not a threat to me. Guess I wait.
Whoa, whoa!
I can smell your jealousy. What do you want?
There's a guy out there with a ship that devours sea beasts and grows tails. I want you to help me take it.
An arcane warship. Now that's an interesting wager. I accept. Pour it into the sea, and it will respond in kind.
Don't tell me, a sea monster? This is the starter sea. Sea monsters aren't supposed to exist here. Holy shit! That's an abyssal crab?! Move!
How if I run now? I can kiss that chest goodbye.
I think I can take this thing.
Congratulations, you dealt minor damage.
You gotta be kidding me. Get out of the way! Now's our chance! Pull back! One full power hit and it didn't even crack the shell. The mast's gone, the sail's trashed. One more hit and Nirvana's gonna fall apart. Screw the chest. Staying alive comes first.
Main are made of sharks? Didn't they already scatter? What the hell are they coming back for?
Man-eater sharks will defend their territory no matter the cost. Back in my past life, I saw a pack swarm a juvenile sea serpent for 2 straight days in the deep zone. Looks like they see this abyssal crab as an invading predator. That spot on its shell is weak now. Still too tough for the sharks, though. Guess I'll lend them a hand.
Nirvana! Full speed ahead! Titan Tail Slam!
Yes! Nirvana, devour!
Nirvana has devoured Abyssal Crab right leg. Level increased to LV3. Arcane trait acquired armor bearer.
My turn.
Break!
Arcane item detected. Piggy's endless pizza box item effect. After contents are removed, the container will automatically refill to full capacity. Enjoy your meal.
God, this is good. Ever since the cursed voyages began in my past life, I never had a hot meal again. Come to think of it, it's been at least 3 years since I tasted something like this.
This alone could feed an entire crew. In this cursed era, guns don't do much. Useless in naval battles, and against sea monsters they barely scratch them. But having one in your hand still makes you feel safer.
Regional creature guys again?
Regional creature attitude change detected. Mainlighter Shark Pack recognizes you as a friendly unit, no longer targeted.
Wait, because I drove off that sea monster, they think I'm one of them?
What now? Don't tell me you want pizza. Seriously?
You fed the Manator Shark Pack. Affinity updated. Recognized as leader. Will follow basic commands. Sanity restored. Current sanity 96/100.
Hell yeah! No wonder people love feeding cats and dogs. There's real perks to it.
Isn't that Bob's ship? That bastard's trying to steal my loot?
All right, boys, do me a favor. Boss! Look over there!
What are you waiting for? Move in! The arcane warship and the blue chest are all mine!
You trying to profit off my misfortune?
Well, well, Captain Luke. Don't you have an arcane warship? Don't you have that big tail of yours flapping around? So how'd opening one little chest left you looking this fucked up?
Look at you. Not a clean spot on you. You're bleeding like crazy. What, a few pounds already? I don't think you're making it through the day.
I'm warning you. Get the hell out of here before I really lose my temper.
Good. Less work for me.
Hear that? Before I really lose my temper. Look at him. He's still talking shit. Where the hell do you get that confidence from? So what if you're a little stronger? Brutes like you are easy to handle. One little scheme, and I can get you and a sea monster tearing each other apart.
How does he know there's a sea monster?
I've had it out for you for a while. Back when people saw Boss Bob, they kept their heads down and got out of the way. But you had the balls to steal my gold watch. Search everywhere. See if there's anything else worth taking. I'm stripping this ship bare today.
Boss, there's nothing worth taking in the cabin. Just a pizza box, and it's still hot.
Guy knows how to live, I'll give him that.
That's our boss. Let him go fight sea monsters to the death while we just sit on the ship and take the spoils. No work, all profit.
You were the ones who brought that sea monster here?
Who else? Though I'll give you this, you're tougher than I expected. The witch I hired said one sea monster would be enough to finish you. Somehow you're still alive. Not bad, but that's it. You fight for your life while I sit back drinking. That's called brains. Maybe crack a book in your next life. All right, open the chest. Let's see what's inside.
Boss? Why is it empty?
Where is it? Where did you hide it?
If you were just here to pick off leftovers, I'd beat you up and call it a day. But you brought in that damn giant crab and tried to kill me. So don't blame me.
cannonade of sharks. So many.